Hi everyone. In this video, today I want to bust down a myth that has been circulating all over India from our ancestors. And the myth is sneezing before leaving the house is a bad sign. Okay, let us understand in this video. Have you ever sneezed before leaving the house and someone said that's a bad sign? Okay, let's break it down. Let us understand the science behind it. Remember, science says sneezing is just your body cleaning irritants like dust or allergens. It's a natural reflex, not a signal of what's to come. This superstition comes from old beliefs, not science, and there's no proper evidence linking sneezing to bad luck. So don't worry, sneezing isn't omen, it's just biology. Please subscribe to my channel